Hey, my money peeps, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, hey, my name is Tanya, aka Money and Nails. And here on this channel, we talk about anything and everything that relates to money and budgeting. Y'all, today we got Happy Mail. Let's go. I have two pieces of Happy Mail to share with you guys. So the first unboxing here is going to be from Forever Budget. Now I saw her reel on Instagram and thought, I gotta have that. I need that, I need it. And then when I went to her Etsy page, I saw something else that said, Tanya, written all over it. So let's go ahead and open up. Now, I've already opened this and looked because, I just had to peek, make sure I ordered what I thought I ordered. But pretty little paper here, and she had this cute card in here. I'm not gonna read it, but I'll just show you the card. It was really cute. So a cute little thank you card with handwritten message inside. And then cute little charm here, and I think I'll be adding this to one of my binders. So let's take this out. Yes, cute little charm to add. Of course, it's a red tassel, so if you don't know by now, red is my favorite color. Red sparkle, red glitter, anything red I am obsessed with. And she included this cute Thanksgiving saving challenge here. Has all the different foods that people typically eat on that day with dollar amounts underneath here. It says total save will be $500 when you complete this. So that is awesome. Now to the main events. Let me just get rid of this box. So this is what I saw in her Instagram reel. It is a Christmas saving challenge. And I saw this cover, of course, red and white. And I was like, I need this cover. I love this cover here. So let's open it up here. So it says Christmas here. It has a picture of different ornaments. It has dollar amounts for each one. So it looks like it ranges from, let's see here. It looks like there's a $10 is the lowest amount, and it goes up to $90. So each envelope here has a set dollar amount. So we have 30, 50, the little candy cane stripes, snowflakes for 40. Oh, look at the backside. I didn't even notice this. This is so cute. On the back side, there's different prints. You got the Santa, the different Christmas trees. So we got the 50 with the plaid. And then on the back, looks like reefs are on the back. 60 reindeers and the snowflakes. Christmas presents are on the back. 70 has the ornaments. See, 90, it's cute. It says love, peace. You guys excuse me, that's my boys are making all kinds of noise in the kitchen. Snowflakes for 10. On the back of that, it says Christmas trees, farm fresh Christmas trees, the car. And the 50, believe Christmas. It says cold outside, deck the halls. We got 40 snowflakes on the back. 80 with the candy cane again. Oh, it looks like it just repeats. So 30, 40, 50, 60. You get the drift here. But this is so cute. I love this. So this is going to be a new Christmas challenge for 2023. I'm starting to think about things that I want to do for next year. So there's that. part two is, get this out of the way. I saw some A7 envelopes I could use for my wallet. So of course, like I see my name, Tanya, and it's spelled correctly in red. She knows how to make a girl cry. Okay, so inside of this, she gave me some cash breakdown slips. There's 3 of them. So it says bank teller slips at the top, all my denominations, says bills, quantity, and the amounts. Love it. Can never have enough of these. I'm always looking for mine. And then the cream de la creme, my cash envelopes. Now the picture that she had was black and white. And so I asked her, I said, is there any way that you can make this in red and white? Because red is my color. And of course she said yes. So my typical categories, I have gas, groceries, eating out, miscellaneous, snacks, and then firewood. So I usually we bring this out during the winter time. So that's why you don't see it right now, because it's too hot to be burning anything right now. So love everything here. Thank you so much, Forever Budgets. I will have a link to her shop down in my description. And then I have one more Happy Mail that I received. So let me grab that. Okay, so I decided that in 2023, I'm going to change up my saving challenge binder, because currently I am using, I guess I should have pulled it out. I am using this right here. So this is my A6 clear glitter binder. And so I decided that I was going to go bigger so that I had like more rooms in my zipper pouches right here. So I had ordered this actually off of Amazon. It is a black sparkle, and it zips up. But I needed to razzle dazzle this up a little bit, so I contacted Debt Free Panda, and she made some stickers for me. So let's flip it over because I love it so much. So here is my new savings challenge binder. So she made the sticker right here that I got from her. And then I asked her if I could have some type of sticker or lettering for her shop, because I do have 3 scratch off challenges from her. So she made this for me. And then she also gave me a sticker for her shop. So I put it on the outside of the envelope. And then I put her saving challenge in here. I do have additional challenges that I am going to be setting up. I got these A5 clear pouches from Amazon also. I have a link for these pouches also down in my description and my storefront. And she also provided some cute little stickers inside. So we have the little mustache right here. And this one says, saved by the budget. Too cute. And then, of course, a little baby debt-free panda. So, y'all, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start using this pouch. I have so many other things that are coming right now. I'm thinking ahead for 2023 and just trying to get myself set up and prepared and get my, brain all focused and ready to start saving more money again. I just wanted to pop in really quick and just show you guys a couple pieces of Happy Mail that I got because I'm really excited. I do have about 5 or 6 more items that are coming, and then once they come in, I will gladly share with you guys. Don't forget, the link for everything will be down in my description box down below. Until next time, see ya!